As we enter, this is your living room. So this is your very big, spacious kitchen. This is your very spacious master bedroom. Hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you a sample flat tour of Delta Sector 0. As you can see, I'm standing on the actual land parcel. Right behind me is the sales office, and here is the main road. You can have a look at the main road. The left takes you to Thane and the right leads you directly to Belapur. Before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with builders, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing, unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here. Your listing is done directly by the builders and not by the brokers. So now buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 5 acres with 3 towers, ground plus 33 floors with a configuration of 1, 2 and 3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, they have 50 plus world-class amenities including swimming pool, clubhouse, jogging track, multi-purpose court and many more. Talking about the connectivity of this project is bang on Thane Belapur Road with Airoli railway station at a distance of just 5 minutes, Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 10 minutes, school, colleges, hospital all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Now let's go check the sample flat. Now let me give you the tour of this sample flat with an area of 413 square feet. As we enter, this is your living room. As you can see how spacious, nice it is, you can easily chill with your family. Have a look with this aesthetic living room, as we also get an half French window attached to the living room. Moving ahead, this is your dining space. You can easily have your 4 to 6 seater of dining space over here. They've given good amount of space for you to keep your dining area. Moving ahead, as we walk towards our first bedroom, this is your first common washroom. As you can see, you'll get anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings in this washroom. To my left is the kitchen. Come, let me show you. So this is your very big, spacious kitchen. As you can see, there's good amount of storage for cabinets. They have actually placed 2 wall cabinets over here, so you can easily keep your utensils, accessories, everything. You get 2 sides of parallel platform, and right where your platform ends, this is your refrigerator area. So you have a proper dedicated refrigerator area as well in this kitchen. And then again, you get half French windows attached to your kitchen. Moving ahead, before checking out our master bedroom, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, sample flat videos and actual flat videos, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI schemes, and a 360-degree location tour. All these amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself, book your site visit for free with us. Come on, let's go check our master bedroom as we enter. This is your very spacious master bedroom. You can see there's so much of walkable space after placing a whole king size bed. And again, you get attached French window to your bedroom. And now this is your wardrobe area. A whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe area. There's good depth, and after that also have good amount of walking space. So yeah, space and all you don't need to worry about. As we go ahead, this is your attached washroom. Again, you get this washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. The washroom has good space, guys. So this was the sample flat tour of Delta Sector 0. To get more information about this project, don't forget to check the comment section, and to see more such amazing videos, don't forget to check the icon button. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey. Thank you.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.